Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel, Dee Lovely Life. Well, good morning on this Tuesday for another tiny tidy Tuesday. Actually, today is Tuesday. I filmed this especially for you to share my typical morning routine. Well, I should say my current typical morning routine with you. It's basically a tidy, so I thought, why not film it?
I usually get up between 4:30 a.m. and 7, depending on how many times I wake up during the night to attend to my mom's care. Usually, the neighborhood stray cat Allie is already waiting for me outside our window, but I don't see it yet. I have a small amount of dishes in the sink from last night, scissors, my purse on the counter along with my water, and my folding chair for when Queen G was sitting right here last night. Also, in the living room, there's like a glass, a flashlight, and little things that needs to be put away. This morning, I'm greeted by Kitty. She is starting to regain her appetite, and she's letting me know she's ready for her breakfast now. She's my supervisor, and she's ready to supervise and eat. Let's see if there's anything in it. Oh, good. I'm gonna start my load of laundry. Oops, I forgot the fabric softener, and it just doesn't seem washed without the scent of a fabric softener. Anyone else feel the same? Let me know in the comments down below. It's so quiet. Well, it was, but now I have the washing machine going in the background. I'm still counting the first thing in the morning is for me time, which is a nice cup of coffee, of course. I decluttered 10 coffee cups in January for the Decluttering Challenge with Melinda Plain and Simple. I hope you checked her channel out by now. She does so much decluttering. Really motivating. Oh, wait, where was I? Oh yes, coffee. A simple little treat each morning. I have been drinking decaf lately, but today I'm going for the big stuff, caffeine. My recipe book out from retrieving a recipe to add in my meal planning video, that video is coming out next. And now a quick bed check on my mom, Queen G, which she's good, so now we can move on. Alright, caught up on my news, caught up on some messages and some emails from my phone. Finished my coffee. And now that I gave myself my own time, now it's time to go get dressed and then start my usual tidying up around. It's not like a full-blown kind of cleaning or anything like that. It's just something that I like to do before my mom wakes up. So let me get dressed and ready. Oh, awesome. Okay, now it's ready to be transferred. Oh, and there is nothing in there. Ooh, and let's check let's check a dryer filter screen. I was watching Jo from Minimal Zebra. Go check out her last
tidy video from last week, she reminded all of us to always check the dryer sheet and change these things. Empty them out. Okay, voila. At least I got this load done before I go jump in the shower real quick. Do you guys do a load in the morning? Let me know in the comments. I normally do. I wanted to get these done though first, so I can put these away before I start Queen G's laundry, because I gave my mom a sponge bath yesterday, so her hamper is full. I wanted to get these done out of the way. I did my laundry yesterday. I normally always have myself go last, but this week I decided to make myself first. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I'm a multitasker. While this is going on, I'm going to take my shower and I'll be right back. Showered and made my bed. That is something I always do every single morning. I cannot start my day without my bed being made. Good morning. So now that I am finally all put together, I got Queen G all refreshed and everything, and she is actually sleeping really good right now. So let's go downstairs. Look at my planner in the morning, making sure that I know exactly what I need to do this morning. Bills and budget, create a calendar. I got to create some file folders. I'm going to dust and vacuum, sweep and mop today. So that is my big cleaning thing besides this tiny tidy. Thank you cards, garage sale info, and I got to work on my FSA claims. That's what I have for today. I'm going to set you up on a tripod. Use Queen G's little table before I put it away. Yes, folks, this is the magic behind YouTube. wiped all my counters. Everything is put away. Dishwasher unloaded and reloaded. Have a shiny sink to start for the rest of the day to keep adding. I kept the pot out for oatmeal for later, for this morning when Queen G wakes up. 2 bowls ready for there, so we're all set. And because I don't want to disturb Queen G, I usually keep everything that I need to place upstairs in my office and work on, so I gotta take that upstairs. This is when I do my errands later on today. I also started to get my battery all situated and ready to go so I can start filming this week's vlog and the rest of my day. Check on the wash. This is ready to go. So the rest of my day, I'm just going to continue on with my laundry. I'm going to take that out, fold it, and then start Queen G's 2 loads for today. I emptied out Kitty's litter box and I swept just right here, but since I have vacuuming and mopping to do today, I didn't want to make more work for myself right now. Back room is all tidied, and that's all that matters. I get to start my day. This is an open collab hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. I will link her and some of the participants' channels in the description box along with the playlist. Make sure you go check out the playlist. There is tons of motivation and ideas for you to do a tiny tidy around your home. Now it's time to put on my caregiving hat and start my day. I'm hoping you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.